Are you ready for my hits and misses for October? And as always, I'll give you a brutally honest review, and I have my trash can ready. Both makeup and skincare products have been tested. Hi friends, I'm Dr. Linda Brand, medical doctor with years of experience with skin concerns and treatment of these. Always loved makeup, but neglected my own skin for years. And I'm paying the price for that now with lines, wrinkles and dark spots. My goal is to find products and methods to combat this and find the makeup that will look the best on a mature skin. I tried a lot of new products in October, but I liked most of them actually. But I did bring my trash can, so no one is safe. These are the products we are going through today. Good luck to them all. We are starting out with my favorites for October. But my trash can will get to work later on, and I may reveal some new holy grails. The first product on my favorites list for October is Tear Mask Fit Waterproof Setting Spray. In my opinion, it gives you a long-lasting, strong fixing effect without any caking of the makeup. It sprays on with a fine mist. There's no smell. It gives 24 hours makeup fixing and the water and sweat proof tested by the brand. Next up I have a bundle from Natasha Denona. It's the Berry Pop collection launched in January 2024 and it includes the following. The Berry Pop Cheek Trio Cream Blush in matte, this one. Comes in this beautiful packaging. And the Berry Pop lipstick. It's not the one I'm having on today, but I've had it on at least twice in some of my previous videos. And the Berry Pop lip liner. That's the lip liner. And that's a lipstick. Here we have the lip liner, the lipstick, cream blush, tinted glow cream base, and a dream glow powder. I'm not sure if you can see it that well. And what can I say? I just love this collection. Everything has really good quality and I'm just obsessed about it all. I wish I could wear it every day. The one I'm going to show you now has been around since January 2025 and we are talking about Dior Forever Nude Bronze. This is the one. And I have it in shade 20, which is medium matte. But I also have the smaller one in 03 soft, because it also comes in a smaller version. But this is the one. So I have it right here. The Dior Forever Nude Bronze have a heat and humidity resistant formula that delivers a radiant sun-kissed look that is long wearing, infused with hyaluronic acid and a vitamin C based ingredient to boost hydration and comfort. It's available in 4 shades. I like that it applies softly and are buildable. It gives a beautiful and natural looking finish. And it's the one I have been using today. Next one is a new product this fall from Hourglass, and I'm of course talking about the Ambient Lighting Edit Unlocked the Swan palette. I chose the Swan palette for me. It's so beautiful. So this one includes a finishing powder, a highlighter, a bronzer, and 3 blushes. These 3 are blushes. The artistry is also so beautiful. And I also got the brush that belongs to it. This is the brush. I used the products from this palette in my last video. I made the swatch for you. The finishing powder is just way too light, so I haven't swatched that one. It doesn't show on my skin. One on the top is the highlighter and then the bronzer. And as you can see, the colors are quite subtle but beautiful. So this is a yearly collectible face palette from Hourglass. First appeared in 2018 for the holiday season. Each palette includes best-selling or new shades of finishing powder, bronzer, blush, and highlighter. With the groundbreaking photoluminescent technology, the powders filter out harsh light and enhance the skin in any type of light. The shades can be used individually or layered together for a multi-dimensional soft glow finish. Do you collect these? Just comment below. Hourglass will also donate 5% of profits from this collection to Non-Human Rights Project, a US organization working to secure fundamental rights for animals. So a good cause. More Dior is on its way, and it's mascara this time. The Dior Show Iconic Over Curl. This mascara nourishes lashes while delivering volume and an eye-opening curl. Highlighted ingredients are cornflower floral water. It comforts the lashes. Jojoba esters nourish the lashes, and cotton nectar visibly fortifies and smooths lashes while adding shine. As you might have heard a few times before, I used to wear lash extensions for years, and that ruined my lashes. I had hardly any lashes left, and they are not curved at all. But this mascara from Dior has changed this. I have tested it by not curling my lashes before applying it, and I'm telling you, wow, it works. As you know, I'm testing a lot of mascaras, but this is the one for me right now, and it doesn't smudge, so that's really great. The next brand and product is new to me. It's the RMS Beauty Hydra Setting Powder. It's a long-wearing, ultra-fine, light-reflecting, talc-free, skincare-infused loose setting powder available in 3 shades. It minimizes the appearance of pores, blurs imperfections, sets makeup, and hydrates for a natural, smooth filter effect on the skin. It won't cake or settle into fine lines, providing the finishing touch for filter-like skin. Skin-loving, clean ingredients like vegetable squalane balances oil and hydrates. Antioxidant-rich, wild-crafted burri tea and organic jojoba oils nourish and defend against environmental stressors. I used this in my latest video and I was so impressed. I'm still going to try it out more, and I might have found a combination that doesn't crease your under eyes. I'm going to test it more, so just continue watching my videos. This is one of the gifts I have received through my Shop My store, and I have now tested it for some weeks. I'm talking about the Quench Face Cream from Beauty Bio. First of all, look at this exclusive packaging. So nice. And this is how you open it, like this, and you're taking this off, and you have the cream right here. It's an intensely nourishing facial cream with quadrulipid and lactic acid that works to help restore the 4 key lipids, the good skin fats, responsible for skin's protective moisture barrier, bounce, hydration, and radiance. It's formulated for all skin types. This is the ideal recovery cream for dry climates, dry skin, long flights, and post-retinol clinical or microneedling treatments. It's actually such a treat for your skin. It's so soft and good and is absorbed quickly. No stickiness, and there is a lot of active ingredients in this one. The last of my favorites in September is from Ravi Beauty. It's a lip renewal oil. It's not a new product, but I have not been testing it out until now. But this is one of my favorites in October, the Lip Renewal Treatment Oil. It features a silky, long-lasting formula that soothes, softens, and enhances your natural lips. Infused with 3 varieties of rice to help shield against blue light and pollution, plus Monoi de Tahiti natural hibiscus to firm and protect. It delivers nourishing care with every swipe. Dermatologist tested, vegan, and cruelty-free, this treatment helps ensure your lips stay smooth, radiant, and protected. As I said, I've had it for some time and I'm now using it morning and night to boost hydration to my lips, and I love it. And now my trash can is ready. I don't have much to add there, but remember that my new holy grail will follow after this. Please remember that this is my opinion only, and that the products I trash can be the favorite products for others. Today's trash, in my opinion, is the fatty from honey. Well, what can I say? It seems like I've trashed it already. I think maybe I received it in the trend mood box. I'm not quite sure. This moisture stick is just way too fatty to me. It is just laying on top of my skin. I have tried to rub it in, but my skin is just as fatty and it just lies on top of my skin. So sorry, but not for me. So here's the trash can. Over to my new holy grail for October. It's the new makeup brushes, the much anticipated Volume 2 from pro makeup artist Nikki LaRose and BK Beauty. It's an 8-piece brush set designed by Nikki, and I just love them. I knew it would be good when Nikki designed them. She is so detail oriented and have years of experience and passion for makeup. Let me show them to you. I need to take my glasses so I can see anything here. This is N18, the Ultimate Contour. As you can see, it's rounded on the top. And this is how it looks. So I'm using this especially for my bronzer. Beautiful and so efficient, and just put it on all over, like it's so easy. I have to say, I can't spend a lot of time on my makeup, so I'm working fast, I have to say. This is N19, the Ultimate Coverage, and it is like this. And if you see it from above, it's like a triangle. I'm using it mainly for my under eyes. I haven't tried it on other areas, but I'm using it for my concealer and it works so great. I was so surprised. I was like, well, can it work? Yes, I get that it will work up here, but what about the rest? But it's working so nice. Next one is it's actually two of the same, but with different sizes. It's the Ultimate diffuser brushes, like this. So you have more control over your makeup, how much you're adding, because it's different length of the bristle. I'm usually using the N20 for my blush, and then the N20S for my eye makeup. Then we have N21, which is a precision blender. This is a tiny one. This one is the N22 Petite Dome Blender. It's kind of pointed. So I think this is really good for the lower lash line. So this is the N23, which is a mini multi-detailer. And remember, this is Volume 2. One in this Volume 2 is a small packer. Great for your eye makeup. I will also show you photos of the first collection from Nikki LaRose. Okay, so that was it for me, for my hits and favorites in October. What do you think about my favorites, and what was your favorite for October? Did you have any misses? Please leave a comment below so we all get to know. See you in the next one.